The skeletal system. The skeletal system is divided into two main zones, the axial and appendicular. The axial contains on its axis only backward movement. The skull protects the brain. It divides into two viviparine bones, the cranium or maxilla and mandible or jawbone. The rib cage is like a cage based on the word cage, which protects the lungs and the heart. The sternum and the backbone holds the ribs. The spinal column protects the backbone. The appendicular skeleton is the ones that uses for movement. The humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Phalanges are divided into three different types: proximal, intermediate, and distal. The one below, that was the pelvis, which supports the body when we sit. The femur, the longest, heaviest, and strongest bone in the body. The patella, or the knee bone, protects the tip of the femur and the top of the tibia and fibula while kneeling. The tibia, which is the second largest bone, it is officially thicker, and then the fibula, which is the third largest bone, which is thinner than the tibia. The tibia protects the fibula, while the fibula supports the tibia. There are tarsals, metatarsals, and again, there are phalanges, proximal, intermediate, and distal. This is all the bones in the body. Skeletal system.